Hi, today I will show how to remove crypto wallets and its data. First, open Brave in your PC. Now, type this on the New tab and press Enter. Click More and select Disable and Reset Rewards. Check it and press Reset. Now, type this on the New tab and press Enter. Type Native Brave Wallet in the search bar. Now disable all these that are enabled. Press Launch. Now type this in a new tab and press Wallet section. Click three dots button in the top right and go to Settings. Scroll down and click on Reset and Clear Wallet Data. Type Yes and click OK.